Come with us today to explore Tulum
and Playa del Carmen, the central resort towns of the Riviera Maya. Hey everybody, I'm Steve.
Nina.
And today our adventure is visiting the ruins of Tulum. Tulum is about an hour south of Cancun. Is that right?
I don't know.
It's okay. It's south of Cancun. South of Playa del Carmen, south of Akumal, Tulum. Tulum is a Mayan city. You can see some people. They are not Mayans. Some of them are descendants. But we have basically a lot of buildings. We have that's the main street going down the whole city. We have some old foundations of older buildings. And in the distance we have the wall of the city that we just came through to get to where we are now. So please join us. It's so hot. Tulum is easily accessible by colectivo from Cancun, Playa del Carmen, and Akumal. You can also drive to it using the main highway if you rent a car.
There is more to Tulum than just the ruins. The resort town of Tulum has lots of restaurants and hotels, and Tulum's town has become a famous place for picture taking.
On our day trip to Tulum, we mainly visited the spectacular cliffside ruins. It was lots of fun hiking through and exploring the sun-bleached remains of the ancient city. And just like with Chichen Itza, you can hire a guide to learn about what life may have been like here once upon a time.
Playa del Carmen is a large resort town between Cancun and Tulum. It's a great place to stay if you're planning on taking day trips to attractions along the coast. Playa del Carmen has a nice balance of tourist attractions and local culture.
The Fifth Avenue in Playa del Carmen runs parallel to the shoreline and is the tourist center of town. You can walk for hours down Fifth Avenue and you'll see stores, restaurants, bars, shopping malls, and street vendors. There's lots of opportunities to grab tequila samples and check out handcrafted clothing, hammocks, and artwork. At either end of the avenue, there are public beaches. And along the avenue, there are some public beaches and some private beaches that belong to the resorts.
There are also lots of street performances in Playa.
You can also take a ferry from the beginning of Fifth Avenue to Cozumel, a large island off the coast with its own great attractions. But we're not quite done with Playa yet. We definitely recommend exploring the areas further inland from Fifth Avenue, if only for the wide variety of restaurants you can find in Playa del Carmen, which feature cuisines from all over the world. Here, we're trying Nordic food for the first time.
We also visited the Kaxapa Factory, which had excellent Venezuelan food. They had a drink called chicha de arroz, which was a creamy, cinnamony rice milk. It sounds crazy, but it was so yummy. It was my favorite drink.
Playa del Carmen is definitely a foodie's paradise, and we loved every bite of it.
If you visit Cancun or Tulum, you should definitely not pass over Playa del Carmen.
Please subscribe to our channel for our next adventure.
Thanks for watching!